Welcome to Demo Patrol, your trusted demolition and junk removal experts serving Butte County, California. Whether you're renovating, rebuilding, or clearing space for new opportunities, our residential demolition services are here to help. We understand that every home tells a story, and when it's time for a new chapter, we ensure that the demolition process is smooth, safe, and respectful. From single-family homes to larger residential properties, Demo Patrol handles it all with precision and care. At Demo Patrol, safety and efficiency are our top priorities. Before any demolition begins, we conduct a comprehensive site assessment, considering everything from structural integrity to environmental factors. Our team is equipped with state-of-the-art tools and follows strict safety protocols to ensure that the job is done right. Whether it's a full teardown or selective demolition, we take care of everything, from permits and disconnections to debris removal, so you can focus on your next steps. As you can see, our residential demolition services leave no stone unturned. From the initial assessment to the final cleanup, Demo Patrol is committed to delivering top-notch service in Butte County. If you're ready to start your next project, trust us to handle the demolition with professionalism and care. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's bring your vision to life by preparing the foundation for your future.